The W series from Voltsmile Energy is the ultimate solution for powering your home with solar power. With its cutting-edge technology and user-friendly design, it provides a simple and efficient way to store and manage energy. Featuring a 51.2 voltage battery, it carries 10.24 kilowatt hours of energy, offering a reliable and convenient way to power your home. Also, its modular design provides the flexibility to scale the capacity, with a maximum of 16 units in parallel connection that can store up to 163.84 kilowatt hours of energy. Thanks to the product's easy-to-mount design, installation is easy and quick. Simply secure the hangers, connect the inverter and mount the product on the wall using the lugs on both sides. It is designed with the perfect size, aesthetics and capacity, making it a compact and space-efficient choice. The built-in smart battery management system helps to measure and monitor the real-time charge and discharge status, ensuring optimal energy management. With an IP67 rating, it is designed to withstand even the toughest conditions, including heavy rain and dust when mounted outdoors. A 10-year product warranty and a design life of 6,000 cycles make it a reliable and long-lasting investment. So why wait? Buy our product today and start enjoying the benefits of solar power at home.